Hello, and welcome to this webinar on letters of intent in construction projects. Over the next 30 minutes, we are going to be taking just a peek into letters of intent in this short, sharp webinar, looking at some of the principles around using letters of intent and some of the illustrative and informative case law that's going to help you to use and to choose letters of intent. So over this short webinar, it's just a peek. We're going to be exploring the principles in using letters of intent. I hope the webinar will support your growth and development goals and also enable some conversations with your team and with other project professionals with whom you liaise. The webinar is drafted broadly and designed so that it helps all touch points to industry. It's worth noting that there are links to resources at the resources page at the back of the materials pack. And in addition, there is a full Learn Live available from me, at which you can get much more in-depth information and discussions into letters of intent. So do look out for that one. So what we have here is 30 minutes of a webinar. I'll do a quick welcome as to who we are and what we do in a moment. But if you look on the right-hand side of the screen now, you will see the content box and the 5 key topics we're going to be tackling today. The first is identifying what a letter of intent is, what its features are, what its characteristics are, and where they come from. Secondly, we'll be looking at some of the key case law on letters of intent, because these things have come before the courts periodically, and so there is always something useful from those cases to learn and take back into our projects. Thirdly, we're going to be looking at the role and responsibility of construction professionals. There are an area where there is commonly work done to advise, to offer, to promote, or to accede to letters of intent, and potentially professional negligence issues if this isn't done well. So we'll be taking a look at what professionals can do. Fourthly, I'll give you some practical tips on using and choosing letters of intent in real life for your construction projects. And fifthly and finally, a summary and some key takeaways.